Okay. We are great. We are good. We are amazing. We are great. So, um, I kind of just let this trade run. Um, I'm pretty sure profits got taken because I'm 10 minutes ahead or 10 minutes behind. So I don't know, maybe within the next 10, 20 minutes or something, I get take profit or something. Or maybe I accidentally put it a little too low. I don't know. I was eating. So I completely forgot about it because I was eating. It seems like when I came back, there was still one here. So I had to close that extra position. But it seems like 4 of my entries got hit. And then I moved this level up to what the average was. Then I went to go eat. And then I came back again. And then, I don't know. I might have accidentally put the profit a little too low. But so far the trade has been going pretty good. I want us to take out this maybe. Considering how price has been moving, I don't think we close as a doji anymore. I think we go with the other option, which was Tuesday closing strong bullish. Which I mean, I don't mind. Like that would put most of the rest of the week for bullish. So, did I hit record? I hit record. Good. I was scared I hit stream. So far we are up 174 points on 8 contracts. Technically 8 because I didn't get in. I'm gonna say I didn't close it because I didn't mean to. I don't have my phone, so I don't have a calculator. Do I have one in here? I don't. So I mean, what? So it's $4 for 700 points or 700 ticks. 700 ticks times 4, 7 times 4, 2.1k, about 2.1k. Um, is that right? Yeah, 2.1k. No, 2.8k. Sorry, I'm tripping. 7 times 4 is 28. Yeah. 2.8k. So it's not bad at all. I would put myself on a winning day. I'm not gonna change the other thumbnail because I'm gonna change the other thumbnail. It's gonna say that I went break even in the description, but I'll switch it to say after checking it, I am green on the day. So I'm gonna switch it just because. So yeah, that puts me on a winning day today, for sure. I think I did pretty good with this trade, especially. My first trade I did mid. I'm pretty sure my first trade I lost 500, correct? Yes, first trade I lost 500. I don't exactly remember where I got in at. I believe it was somewhere around here, no? Yes. I got in like around one of these, I believe, which was dumb. And then I got taken out, obviously. And then the second trade I took bullish right here, I believe. I believe it was one of these candles. And then we came all the way up here. And then I closed at 800, so then I was positive 300 on the day. And then I took another trade somewhere. I think it was like down here for bullish. Got stopped out for 300 as well. So I was break even. What I think I definitely could have done better is, for starters, I shouldn't have taken a trade at the beginning, right? Definitely should have just held back because I saw this structure, but we didn't hit 50%. We hit like this, like kind of consolidation block. So I should have definitely just waited and held back on that first trade entirely. Then for the second trade, where I took 300 here, I think this was a safe play because I had stops right here and then immediately took break even. So I think that was still good. What I could have done better was definitely holding out that trade. I think what affected me was the fact that I had already lost one trade. I think normally, if I hadn't lost a trade before that, I would not have been scared and then taken profits prematurely. I would have more than likely held that position. Um. So yeah, I think definitely that second trade was a good trade, but not a good mental because I closed out prematurely because the loss that I had already. So if I had not taken that loss, I would have held that trade. But I didn't, so that's something I should account is that I should have held that trade, and that would have helped me catch another what? Because it was like around down here, I believe, another 138 points. And then my second idea is I should have taken the trade here because I saw that we were taking the London high here on S&P 500, which Dow Jones didn't take it, and S&P 500 had already taken that London high in the nighttime. So there was no liquidity up here. So that S&P 500 London high acts as liquidity for all three charts, right? I never really thought about it that way until I just said it. But if there's no liquidity on the two other charts, then the one that has liquidity, once it takes that liquidity, that's liquidity for all three charts. Okay, that makes a lot more sense too. But yeah, so I saw the liquidity swept here on the S&P 500, and then I saw the strong bullish or strong bearish push. I should have gotten in for bearish. I literally said, if we get into this fair value gap, I would take it. But then I saw this close and then this close, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take this as liquidity zone. Like, oh, we're in a fair value gap, whatever, right? And so I could have taken that short there, whether it had been the literal 50% of this whole move or the jab into it of this move. I need to change this back to CE because that is really bothering my eyes. Um, but yeah, if I had caught those shorts as well, I would have been able to perfectly get out down here. And then that would have been an extra 200 points. So for starters, I could have caught 144 here. Then I could have caught 178 here. 144 plus 178, 2, 3, 311. 311, yeah, like around about 311 ish, right? And then obviously I'm catching this current trade, which 182. So 311 plus 182 for 540. No, 380 plus. No, 311 plus 180. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So 390, 490. Sorry, 490. I'm so slow right now. 490, almost 500 points. Well, yeah. Once this hits full TP, it would be 500 points, right? So yeah, we could definitely have caught 500 plus points today, but I just did some stupid struggle stuff. But yeah, I mean, realistically, and let me get my journal. So for sure today, I should have been able to do way better, right? It still did good. I did really good today. In comparison to my previous week, and the week before that, I did really good today. But I do think I could have done better. Um, so for my journal, today is May 26th, 2026. Okay, so my biggest priority is, okay, again, I need to wake up on time. Start waking up on time. I can do 10 minutes after is fine as well because I usually don't take a trade before 9:30, and 9:30 is delayed by 10 minutes for me. So, okay, so this trade I would be pulling stops up to this level now just because we're literally right there, and if we were to make anything that breaks below this, I would count it as taking an order block here or taking confluence here. So, it's just to play safe. And I've had that happen so many times before. Um, so yeah. Anyway, start waking up on time. Waking up on time. Because today especially. Oh, actually, not even just today. I believe today, last Friday, and last Thursday, had I woken up on time, I would have had a much easier time catching a good trade. Um, no, sorry, I don't think it was Thursday. I think it was just Friday and potentially Tuesday as well, but I don't remember exactly. Um, start waking up on time. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. I don't really need to write any notes for that. For the next one, the liquidity. So if there's no liquidity on two out of the three charts, I'm gonna put in parentheses what's it called? Correlating charts. Correlating charts. I think it does hit my stop loss here, which is fine. Two out of three charts, correlating charts. Then the one with liquidity will act as liquidity for the other two. And I'm saying that because oh yeah, took my stop loss, which I mean perfectly fine. But that's still 2.8. Yeah, 2.8k about. So we are a-okay with that. I do not mind that at all. I'm gonna do this. I closed out on this low right there. Because I want to record a short later, just to make it easy, or just to make it, you know, more more attractive, or sorry, just to gain more attention on social media platforms. Um, I say this because while Dow Jones was moving down, there were no highs that we really wanted to take to go short, right? We were just going lower and lower. On NASDAQ, we had already taken out this high a long, long time ago and taken out this high a very long time ago as well. So there was literally nothing up here for NASDAQ to take out that would indicate, hey, we want to move price here and there because of this and that, right? So instead, we take the highs right here on S&P 500, and we took out this high, we took out this high back here, we took out this high back here. We're in a 1 minute fair value gap all the way back here, to, hitting a support and resistance zone. Okay, that's perfect. Now we're probably going to see bearish price action, which here 1037, here 1030, 1039, 1037 ish, around the same time. So had I taken that bearish trade after seeing that move, I would have been able to profit definitely a lot more. From here to here, it was 178 points, and then what I caught was 168 points, I believe. No, 170 points. So it would have totaled out to 3,400 points. 3,400? 340 points. And it would have just been so much more profitable. And then here, that is such a good close, because I could see there was potential for that closing there. I definitely missed out on 30 points, but it's not crazy. But it is another 500 to be fair. Oh well, I was only on 8 contracts, so it was probably like what 350, 400, 400 ish. Um, excuse me. But yeah, what other mistake did I make? Oh yeah, I need to control my emotions a little more. I think during the trade, well, I guess I wasn't even here during this trade, but during the other trades, I was a little emotional, not as much as like the week before and the week before that week, but I'm still a little emotional, especially after taking that loss. I was monitoring the winning trade a little too much, and that's why I wanted to close out because I was monitoring it and nitpicking every single move. micromanaging it and everything. There's no need for that. I should have just, let it continue the way it was going to continue. I was already at break even, so there was no reason to stress. And I'm really early in the day. I could just wait and take another trade. So yeah, definitely need to fix that. So fix your emotions after taking after is not spelled with two e's. After taking a loss, um, and stop micromanaging winning trades, or any trades for that matter. And I think if I can get that fixed, like control my emotions after taking losses, it would probably increase my win rate by 10, 15, 20%, because a lot of my previous trades before I even started this series was a lot of losses due to me taking a loss and then trying to take a trade that would make up for those losses but also risk a lot less, because I was trying to risk manage, but I wasn't doing it well. I was more of like using the same lot size and decreasing the stop loss, which that type of risk management is terrible because it it not only is the win rate gonna be lower, but the more you do that, the more you're gonna end up losing. So let's say you try to take a trade and then you lose 50 points on it, right? Now you're heated. You're gonna take another trade, same lot size, but now you're gonna draw down your stops to 25 points. You're gonna lose again, more than likely. And then you're even more heated now, and now you're saying, you know what? I'm gonna keep it to 5 point stop. You're gonna do that 5, 6, 7 different times, and the slippage, the fees, the lot size, they're all gonna mess with you, and they're all just gonna end up taking you out of your trades and losing. So instead, you should just be lowering your lot size if it comes to it, and then also um, really just controlling your emotions. That would definitely be the biggest factor of the biggest factor that would help you improve on your trading is controlling your emotions. And a lot of people are gonna say that controlling your emotions is hard. That's the hardest part of trading. It's really not. It's a thing that everybody does. Like risk management. Anger management is something that you can easily fix with just simple change on your viewpoint on life and everything. Maybe it's not always gonna work, but it'll work more than likely most of the time. Um, Now, as for this current trade, I didn't really like where everything was. Because my stop loss was 89 points, which comparing it to my win, it was only a 1.9 RR, which, some people will say a 2 RR is good, whatever, but a 2 RR is not good if you're risking like this, right? If you were like doing maybe, I don't know, 33 points to 70 points, a 2 RR is great. That's perfectly fine. Or if you were doing like 20 something to 50 something, 2 RR is fine, and a lot of people do that, but I don't trade like that. I trade for entire moves because I know I can catch bigger objectives on the day. So I'd like my RR to be more like this, 7 RR, 8 RR, 6 RR. But unfortunately today we popped out with um, the 1.93 RR. Obviously I drawed stops up to here, so it was 5.3, but it still could start off better. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty simple, pretty quick and easy video. I did write down in my notebook this time because I did do a few mistakes. Though I definitely think I did a lot better than the previous weeks. I still do believe I made a decent amount of mistakes today that need to be corrected, especially my emotions, because the emotions is the it is going to be the most difficult thing for me to fix, but it shouldn't be a difficult thing for me to fix, right? But yeah, I think that's all. That's all gonna be in the. That's all that's gonna be in the video today. Because I'm. It's late in the day. It's 3:15 right now. Usually I wouldn't record it this late unless I was busy, but today I recorded it pretty late because I was waiting for this position to hit, but then I saw that these were potential reversal zones, and I saw I was already getting close to close, and I want to get some shorts in time, so just went ahead, started recording, and if the trade hit during, then it hit during. But I waited until I saw this move here, and then I recognized these levels were gonna be used. So drew stops up to here. And I'm gonna do this just to show maybe I took profits here, but I didn't. um, oh shit, did not mean to do that. Let me turn off the magnet real quick. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna see if I can post out some shorts and link this video to them. Um, Hopefully tomorrow we can do better. Hopefully the rest of the week will go as I planned it to. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.